Hey everyone, I just wanted to do a quick update about my money talisman, quite literally a money talisman video that I did. And one of the things I wanted to mention was not only is this money a talisman for you, just having a lot of it in your pocket will attract more money to you, but over the months and years of doing this technique, it just more money kept coming in. But one of the interesting things that I noticed that I forgot to mention in the last video was that when I would give this money to other people, it also helped manifest money for them. In fact, one of my coworkers, he would often exchange $20 of his money for $20 of my money that he would stash where he kept his gold and silver because he got into silver stacking, and he was, I mean, he was able to stack like 30. I forget how much. I mean, he basically was able to save up about $10,000 in money in silver in about a year, which is pretty impressive for most people. I mean, it depends on what you do for a living. On the West Coast, the cost of living is super expensive. Like three-bedroom house is $3,000, maybe $5,000 if it's in a good neighborhood a month. So, but anyway, yeah, and I would also use this to tip other people, and they would notice the same thing after I showed up and tipped them a couple dollars of this talismanic money. More business would show up at their work, and you give a homeless guy a dollar, and I would always tell him too, not to spend the dollar right away because I'm a weirdo. I don't care if people think I'm a weirdo. So I would tell him it's a talisman, and even the homeless guy, he would manifest more money for busking or whatever he was doing. So I just wanted to say that the money really does kind of become a living talisman, and it'll manifest money and wealth for other people too. Just having it in circulation in their pocket and everything. And another thing that happened with me a lot too is I started getting free stuff everywhere. Because I would spend this money at the same places all the time. You stop at the espresso stand, get a coffee. So I started just getting free stuff everywhere I went. Everywhere I spent money, I'd get a free sandwich or free coffee, or at least a couple of free shots in your coffee or whatever. You know, and so I just want to share that one of the things I left out about it that I just thought was super interesting. Anyway, again, enjoy your guys' magical journey, and have a good one. Peace out.